Hello great Indians, this is a topic that is the conversion of non-terminating repeating into the P by Q form. We have discussed about the terminating, non-terminating, and in the non-terminating it is category of non-terminating repeating, non-terminating non-repeating. Now we have to discuss about how to convert this non-terminating repeating into the P by Q form, right? So let's take one example that is showed at 0.333. It means that after decimal the 3 digits are repeating, so we can write it as a 0.3 bar because 3 digit is only repeating. Now you have to convert this into the P by Q form where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. So this is the most important question. So what we have to do, first of all, what is the number given as 0.3333, correct? That is 0.3 bar. So let x equals to 0.3333, that is right, that is equals to, right? So we have assumed that this number, let x equals to this number given, name it as a equation number 1, name it as a equation number 1, correct? Now you have to notice that if only a single digit is repeating, right, here only a single digit 3 is repeating, that's why we have to multiply this whole equation because this is the equation, correct? Now this is the equation, right? So if a single digit is repeating, you have to multiply by 10. If 2 digits are repeating, then you have to multiply by 100. If 3 digits are repeating, you have to multiply by 1000. So depending on the repeating digits, you have to multiply. Okay, so if now here only a single digit is repeating, that's why we have to multiply this equation 1 by 10 only. Why? Because only single digit is repeating. Whenever you have to multiply by the left side also and right side also. So here, what is the left side? X. So x multiplied by 10 equals to, what is the right hand side? 0.333, so on into 10. 10 into x is what? 10x. And what about 0.333 dash into 10? So when you multiply any decimal number into 10, one digit will come to this side because here it is only we have to multiply by 10. If you have to multiply by 100, 2 digit will come to this side. If you have to multiply by 1000, 3 digits will come to this side. Now here only we have to multiply by 10. That's why only this 3, only single 3 will come to this side. Correct? So the digit will become 3.3333 and so on. Name it as equation number 2. Correct? So what is our process? Whatever may be the number given, you have to take it as a x, and if only single digit is repeating, that's why we have multiplied by 10. So whenever you have to multiply by the left side also and right side also. X into 10 is 10x, and 0.333 into 10, when you have to multiply by 10, one digit will come to before the decimal, correct? Now what we have to do, we have to subtract 2 by 1. So here equation 2 minus equation 1. So when we have to subtract this equation, left side will subtract with left side, right side will subtract with right side. So what is the left side of the equation number 2? 10x. What is the left side of equation number 1? X equals to, what is the right side of equation number 2? 3.3333 and so on, minus, what is the right side of equation number 1? 0.3333 and so on, correct? So 10x minus x is nothing but 1x, 10x minus x is 9x, right, equals to 3.333 so on minus 0.33 so on, correct? So here you observe that after the decimal only same digits are there, right? 333 digits are there here. So after the decimal same digits are there, that's why after decimal this all digits will cancel with the digits, and 3 minus 0 is what? 3 only, correct? So x equals to what? 3 upon 9. When 9 will shift to this side, it will divide it. 3 upon 9 is what? 3 ones are 3 threes are. When you factorize it, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So what is the value of x? 1 by 3. Okay. So here it is p, here it is q. So this is how we have, this is the value of p equals to 1 and q equals to 3. This is how we have converted this decimal into a rational number. right? So this is how we convert the non-terminating repeating into the p by q form. So it is a very simple process. First of all, whatever may be the digit given, you have to take it as a x, and depending on the repeating numbers, you have to multiply that number. If only single digit is repeating, that's why we have multiplied by 10. So this is equation number 2. You will get the two equations 1 and 2. You have to subtract both the equation. Left side will subtract with left side, right side will subtract with right side. So remember here, when you subtract it, after the decimal the digits are same, therefore all digits will cancel with all digits. That is, after the decimal 3 numbers are there, 3 numbers are there, it will cancel with each other, and 3 minus 0 is what? 3 only. So here we get 3.33 minus 0.33, that is we get 3 minus 0 only 3. Then x equals to 3 by 9. When you factorize it, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So this is how you got this number into the fractional number, that is a p by q form. So this is the value of p, and value of q is 3. Correct?